Welcome to Flyin Miata. My name is Eric, and today we're going to talk through an overview of the suspension kits that we carry here at Flyin Miata. Here at Flyin Miata, we do all our own research and development to ensure that we've got the best Miata suspension kits on the market. In this video, I'll show you the three suspension setups that we carry: the VMax coilovers, the KONI suspension kits with our exclusive FM springs, and of course, our premium Fox suspension kits. I'll talk you through each of the kits to help you find the perfect suspension match that fits your car and your driving style. So to start off, we'll talk about our VMax suspension kits. These are an extremely high quality entry-level suspension kit, amazing for the price. They come in three different varieties: classics, sports, and tracks. This is an example of a classic suspension setup. The sports suspension setup adds damping adjustability to the shock. It maintains the same spring rates as the classics, so you can have ride quality when you're on the street and damping adjustability when you go to the track. The third option is the VMax track suspension kit. It also offers damping adjustability, ride height adjustability, and a higher spring rate, making it the best bang for your buck for autocross and track use. The VMax suspension kits are available for the NA and NB chassis. They're available in different stages. Stage 1 includes just the suspension kit, and Stage 2 upgrades and includes sway bars. So what are these like to drive on the streets, specifically the classics and the sports? Well, in my experience, they're a very quick, very fun to drive suspension setup with actually very good ride quality characteristics. Here and there you're going to find a bump where they don't ride so well, but in the end you're turning your sports car into even more of a sports car. Next, we have our KONI suspension kits. Starting off on my left, we've got an NA setup. This is for the rear. Notice that it's got our purple upper shock mount. When you lower an NA chassis, you tend to lose some of the compression travel, and this relocates the top of the shock absorber to give you some of that back, ultimately translating into better ride quality. Of course, the kits are going to include these amazing KONI Sport shock absorbers for all four generations. We also include bump stops. You get these handy dandy adjustment knobs for adjusting the damping on the top of your KONI shock absorbers. And the real magic happens with our Flyin Miata springs. This is the part that we've developed in-house, tested and approved by our staff, so we know it's the best on the market. So the KONI setups will be a fixed ride height. It does lower the car from stock. Not so much that it doesn't look natural. If somebody that wasn't familiar with Miatas noticed your car, they probably wouldn't notice that it was lowered, but you will, and it looks great. They're available for all four generations, really designed for comfort, daily driving, twisty roads, long road trips, commuting to work, but they're also performance capable. So if you want to do an occasional autocross or track event, hey, what is a Miata for? Next up, let's have a look at our Fox suspension setup. This is our premium suspension setup, available for all four generations. This suspension was developed in conjunction with Fox suspension exclusively for Flyin Miata. The Fox suspension kits feature ride height adjustability via the threaded shock body, damping adjustability, and premium Eibach springs. It features excellent ride quality and amazing handling characteristics. So if you're looking for a suspension that does everything really well, this is the suspension setup for you. What's it like to drive in the real world? I'd say take a look at the customer reviews on our website. They're going to give you a really good picture of what these things are like on a daily basis. So to sum things up, the VMax suspension kit is an excellent entry-level, high-quality suspension kit with setups for street and track. The KONI suspension kit is really geared towards comfort, ride quality, daily use, And a suspension kit that's going to do everything really, really well is the Fox suspension kit. If you've got more questions about these suspension kits, make sure to check out the descriptions on the website. Look for the customer reviews, and if you have anything else that you'd like to talk about, make sure to give us a call or send us an email. Next up in the series, we'll be doing a detailed step-by-step installation of the Fox suspension kit on a 2018 ND Miata. If you like what you're seeing, make sure to like us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. I'm Eric at Flyin Miata. Thanks so much for watching.